Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So I was recently taking some shots with my GoPro, and after just stopping the recording, I accidentally deleted it. I just looked at the screen and I have seen that deleted successfully. So when I checked, it was the main footage which I was taking with my left hand for 8 minutes. So I was very disappointed, but I thought that even though things are deleted from the SD card, it is actually not fully deleted. It is just soft deleted, just remove the reference. So I immediately shut down my GoPro, ejected the SD card, and I had a card reader. I inserted the SD card to the card reader when I was home and plugged in on my Windows PC. So after plugging in, I installed a software called Recuva. So I downloaded this tool called Recuva and installed it. So where are the steps to recover if you accidentally fall into this kind of situation? So opening Recuva app. So my SD card is still on that state, so it is still recoverable. So let's open the tool. So I know that the file I am looking for or is to be recovered is a video file. So I'm clicking on video here and it is asking me about where are the files. The file were actually on a specific drive where I just inserted the SD card. So the file is in this drive, which is the SD card, and inside the SD card the GoPro footages are saved inside this DCIM folder and 100 GoPro. So I'm selecting this folder so that it is easier for the tool to recover. I'm clicking on next and clicking on start. This is the clip. If you can see the time when the shot was taken, and also it matches the size, I mean expected or highly estimated size, then this is probably the file you are looking for. For me, I was taking the shot at the morning around 8:30 to 40, so the time matches. I'm clicking on here and I'll click on recover, and I'll have to select a drive where I want to save the recovered file, and do not select your SD card drive which is plugged in via a card reader. Select a drive or a folder from your Windows. So I'm selecting this folder, or I can create a new folder here, GoPro, and pressing enter. So I'm selecting this GoPro folder, and it will take some time to recover based on the size of file. So the idea is if you accidentally delete some footages, do not take more shots or footages. If that delete footage is very important to you, just unplug the SD card and plug into a Windows computer and install this software Recuva and try this recovery approach. So it is saying that one file is recovered, so it has successfully recovered the files. So I think I'm done here with this one as it is successfully recovered. If I go to the so this is the clip which I deleted accidentally. So this is how you can recover your GoPro footages thanks to the free tool by CCleaner. It is very easy to use and it is free for this kind of situation. So that's it for this video. I hope you have a great time. See you in the next video. Bye.